concrete can be like a device strongly connected to the environment, which can improve the spatial and also the sensory conditions. So our solution was based in Bucharest regarding the communist blocks, because they have quite a brutal impact on our urban scale. They define the large boulevards of the city as corridors, hiding the urban tissue behind, the traditional tissue behind. So besides that, they also have a lack of architectural inventions, and most of them became like a support for publicity, antennas and air conditioning. And what we propose is mostly a more environmentally connected interface.